thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, my name is Amida Williams. I post fashion and style videos once a week every Sunday. If you like this type of videos, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button down below and also hit the notification bell to tell you whenever I post videos. And also in today's video, I'm going to be talking about denim. Yes, I'm going to be talking about jeans, we're talking about jeggings, whatever you call them. I'm going to cover it all. What I'm going to be talking about is this stretchy, high-waisted Joni jeans. These are from Topshop. I think this is one jean that every girl must have, or every girl would have in their wardrobe. So this is dead like stretchy. You can do this, you can squat with it, you can do like everything. It's super stretchy, got two pockets at the back, and I've got it in waist 26 and length 30, so it's just right above my ankle. It fits perfectly, it's very comfortable, you can do everything. See, you can do everything. And I feel like for somebody who's got thick thighs and maybe like smaller waist, sometimes it can be dead difficult to find jeans. So I find this pair perfect. It's perfect, it fits perfectly. I've got this for a while now, so I hope you can see. So it's been a while since I got them, but that's what they look like. They are super flattering. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I've got it with a pair of my Asos square toe mules. Yeah, I just think they're flattering, and I'm thinking of getting a new pair, so I think I would go a bit longer so it gets down. But yeah, these jeans are just like, they're just amazing. Like, it's just so super flattering. Jean that I want to talk to you about, this is a stretch, it says, can't speak, straight leg, high waist, ankle length jean, and I got it in a waist 38. This is from H&M. I love this jean. I got it last year. It's let me see if it's stretchy. It's not really stretchy, but it's not really like a stiff kind of a jean material. It's in washed blue, and it's got these buttons. It's super comfortable. It's got like a little bit of like a distress at the back, and it just falls, it's just like kind of like an ankle length. And again, it's a great pair of jean. I love this jean. I love the color, like the washed blue. It just gives you that kind of chilled vintage vibe. So yeah, so this is the ankle length mom style straight leg jean. Again, like I said, it just, I'll push back so you can see, it's just kind of hangs above my ankle. It's great. It's got these buttons here, just gonna button them up. And on the waist there's a bit of like room there, so it's not too tight, and I can do this, I can move. Now when I'm buying jean, I want to make sure that I'll be able to like move in them, so there is movement, and it's flattering on the bum. It gives you that like nice shape. Like, I just think it's super flattering, and it's not really high waist. I would say it's more like kind of mid-rise, but again, it sits perfectly on the waist. It's got like a loophole, like you can put a belt, so you can wear this again super casual, or you can wear it with heels. So I've just got like my heels on. You can see it just makes them super dressy. I love these jeans. They're very comfortable. I love the color. It just fits my waist, and it fits my thighs. There's still like room that if I eat, I can still breathe. Oh, if I'm having a fat day, I can still wear this jean. So yeah, so these are like another favorite of mine. I want to talk to you about, what I want to show you is these flared jeans. So it's like tight all on your thighs, and then coming down it's like wide legs. So flare jeans, more like 70s style. Every year these jeans come back in style. I've had these jeans for like, I don't know, a couple of years now, but like I feel like every year, maybe in the spring or in the summer, I always get to wear these jeans. These are, I think they were from TK Maxx. So that's what it looks like at the bottom, and again it's actually in light blue. I'm just realizing how much light blue jeans I've got. So yeah, so this is a pair of jeans that I feel like again every girl should own. It's super flattering. It's quite long. It elongates your leg. It makes your legs look a lot longer. This is the flared jean. I like it. I think it's quite flattering. It just makes you look I don't know, dressed up in just a simple way, and it just makes your leg looks longer. It elongates it, and that's what I like about it. You've got this in like a high-waisted version, so it depends on your body shape. You might need to get like a high-waisted type, which always like cinch in the waist, or maybe a low waist. This is like an old pair, so I've got it in the low waist. But yeah, I like it. remember back in the day when low waist jean was a thing, but now it's all about high waist. I'm still gonna be rocking these because I feel like it's still good to go. Yeah. Here is my fourth pair of jeans. This is from Topshop again. This is it says straight leg mom style jean, and it's high waisted. It's waist 28 and a length 34. It is a little bit long. I wanted it in a length 32, but it didn't have 32, so I got 34. It's like dark gray, kind of blackish. I love the color. Again, it would be a little bit longer for me, but it's a little bit like, it's kind of like distressed, like raw hem. I like these jeans. They are super comfortable. Again, I like the color. It can go with so many things. So probably if you're about my height, 5'7", 5'6", you can go for, like, say, I don't know, probably like a length 32, depending on your waist size. But the 34 is a bit longer for me, but I like them. The jeans without wearing heels, so it's kind of, like I said, it's a bit longer. I'll come here so you can see. So it just kind of falls on my ankle. That's how it looks like at the back. And again, it's super comfortable as well. You can move about. I could get a waist 26, or yeah, a waist 26, but I just feel like, again, it will be a little bit tight. So my perfect waist size is 27, which they don't do. So I'd rather get a 28, which it's a little bit loose at the back, but I can still wear it with belt or without belt. It sits, and I've just tied the top, so it's like kind of cropped, and it's proper high waist. It comes all the way there. With the raw hem, just makes it a lot more like trendier. And yeah, it is a nice pair of jeans and very comfortable. Yeah. Yeah, they're super comfortable. So
get the idea.
This is the final pair. This is the last pair of denim that I'm going to show you. This is I got this off Asos. So it's quite long and it kind of folds at the end, but also right at the end it's got like little distressed, and it's distressed at the knee. It's part of the Hourglass range. It kind of like, the waist is quite small, it goes out and then it comes in, so it's kind of like curved. So this part comes out and it goes in at the end. So I like it. It's quite loose fitting, quite slouchy. I got this in UK 28, length 32. It's a little bit big on the waist, but yeah, it's fine. I'll try this one out and then show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the back without my heels. I think it's quite slouchy, as you can see. It's quite loose fitting, so maybe I could do with a 26. It's quite big, but overall it's very comfortable. I don't like what it's doing in front, but again, probably because it's a little bit big for me. But I like the style of it. It's quite slouchy, so it's long as well, comes all the way there, and it's quite high waist also. Stretch, the material is not quite stretch, it's not stretchy, but again, it's comfortable. It's the heels on. I like the slouchy laid back vibe. That's what I like about it. So it's quite nice. Not really doing anything much, I would say, for the bum, but it just got that laid back feel. Yeah, I like it, but probably I'll need to size down. Quite comfy, and yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks very much for staying this long, and if you have, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button down below. And to all those recently subscribed, thank you very much. If you like this sort of video, and if you want to see any more like type of like color denim, just leave a comment down below and I shall try and review color denim pieces. Until next time, see you again.